It was just sitting there.
No fun for me. I had maths when they had PE. Practice for my GCSE and I was told the rest were all better than me in English. Everyone got C, not me, they gave me a G. Pushed the kick by all the bully. Cut my head on the ground and graced up money and I was sent to school on every birthday. I was detention every Friday. I had to work when others could play.
I just got a video for Scotty. There you go. There's a video for you, Scotty.
Is that a fact?
Yeah, for fuck's sake, mate.
Meters, keep right onto Elder Smith Road. Stay in the right lane.
Yeah, what the fuck? Saw that happening.
At the traffic lights, turn right onto Main Street.
Sir? That's not quite how that fucking works. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Oh yeah, no U-turn, fuckwit.
Here we go. Over a double line. Don't worry about it. He's in a hurry to get to the snow. That one.
Might not make it if it
and network stations across Australia. Well,
Glad you know what a stop sign is.
Chris Bowen, the Minister of the Environment, of course.
No idea. This guy in the Pajero's a good driver. Really? That was safe.
Is ongoing. Any breach of biosecurity is taken very seriously. Emily Mini, 9 News. And in Australia.
Holy shit.
So there's a rerun of the castle in real life. It's 5 to 1.
Fucking unbelievable.
New customers only, offer ends September 15. Just a quick heads up.
Unfucking believable.
The fuck?
With a night work, overtime at weekends, a stop-slow person on a building site in Melbourne is paid 120.
Back on their Batman belt, and it took off in a tradie queue all the way home to Greensborough, where they had to fetch it and drive back.
It's a beautiful day. I'm in love, it's a beautiful way. I don't care what the weatherman say. It's a beautiful day.
I think it's once a year, or maybe twice.
Fucking knobhead. Actual fucking knobhead. Just pick a park, lady. That one's going on dash cams. Fucking Jesus, lady. Couldn't see. How could you not fucking see that?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Excuse me, madam. Fuck me. How about fuck you?
Soldiers, veterans and other dignitaries have gathered across the nation to mark 50 years since Australia ended its involvement in the Vietnam War. 60,000 Australians who served have been honoured at dozens of ceremonies. The services a far cry from what they
Don't think
received
this
in the
bloke
early
knows
70s.
or this woman knows what they're doing.
Growing on the home front during the
How embarrassing. How embarrassing.
RSL membership. Today, New South Wales
This one
RSL
for you,
President
Scotty.
Veterans
I love the parking ones.
It's been 50 years in the making.
And this is
Sentiment that's
Jesus.
being echoed by the Prime Minister.
Yeah, they're. Oh yeah, let's do a U-turn over a double line. That's always nice. Pelican.
You can't park here! Yeah, can't you guys read? No parking!
Accommodation facilities. Wanaka will hold a trailblazing aerobatic.
So you can...
Back burning or so on the Alpine Way. There. Look at this idiot. Mexican.
Саша, а ты этот самый санскрин не взял, конечно.
You. Another Scooby-Doo. U-turn at traffic lights.
Motherfucker.
cows with guns.
Nobody listens, no one understands. Seems like no one takes me seriously. And so I'm roaming.